Hey guys, we're Flow Parks After Dark. Hey, we are here at All-Star Movies. It is one of the 3 All-Star resorts here on the property. All-Star Movies is all the way in the back, and it is the last one. There's All-Star Sports in the front, All-Star Music in the middle. But this, my friends, is Florida Park After Dark's favorite All-Star property. The Movies is just great. The theming is fantastic. It is just awesome. And they're just getting done watching the Lilo and Stitch 2. Now we know live action's out. So each of the All-Star resorts, all 3 are basically formatted the same. Large lobby area like this. Stars everywhere, hence All-Stars. This has all the slides from the Mickey shorts. Disney Plus. And then this back wall has got to be probably the best. So it's like you're walking the red carpet, paparazzi's back as you walk down. Over here they have Double Feature, which is their store. It's really a nice store. We're gonna go in a little bit and take a look at that. But it's a good sized store, and if we out of all 3, it's probably the best. And then, like with all others, they just redid the world premiere food court. Now this is their food court. Just went through a pretty significant renovation, refreshed it more than changed it. Parks just ended, so there's a lot of people here getting food before it closes at 11. There's your mobile takeout order pickup window. Don't go too far in. But what's really great about this is they have the lights like the old time movie theaters, and each one of the stations is named after a theater. It's really pretty fantastic. And so they do have their kind of Majestic is kind of the pizzas and the hoagies and all that, and maybe Lyric is your create your own. The Grand back there is where all your snacks and drinks are. The Roxy has your grill, and the Rialto, that's your dessert. And then what's great is in here, what they've done along the back walls and through here, is they have these movie posters that they've done mock-ups on. It's like Love Bug is there, and then they got Pete, the Caribbean, the Pirates. And so each one is just different. So it's really kind of cute. It's very subtle. They don't slam it down your throat, but they really do kind of bring in that theming throughout. So this is the dining area, just redone. We shoot out, actually go out to the back. And then that Silver Screen Spirits is actually the outdoor bar. We'll go see that right now as we head out this way. And there's the outdoor bar. And what we love about this resort is really all the All-Stars, they use those oversized characters. Movies for us, it just captures all those classic Disney movies that we love so much. And I'll tell you right here, Fantasia is right there. So you had the brooms with the buckets carrying over. They're 3 or 4 stories tall. This you have Sorcerer Mickey with the water as the pool. That's the pool element. And he's on a stage, and that is the curtain. That red box that's surrounding him, that's a curtain. In the pool area here, which is great. And then we'll show you the directory. You're not going to be able to walk the whole thing. We want to just get you an idea of it. So what they have is they have the Dalmatians, the Mighty Ducks, Fantasia, Herbie the Love Bug, and Toy Story. Now Toy Story is, if you had to pick a spot, I would do Fantasia or Toy Story. The theming there is just next level awesome. No offense meant to Purdy and Pongo, but that is just fantastic. And so if we were to come, you know what? Let's come take a look. I want to show you these rooms. It's just awesome. So the one thing about the All-Stars is obviously the center building, the lobby area where the food is and the arcade is and all that. Central point. The buildings go out along a property that's pretty good size that goes out. So obviously East Land has their own 3-story buildings that kind of surround the land, and it's kind of a cool little maze to get through. And as you walk, you go from land to land. But if you really talk about impressive stuff, these just impress me. So those are the brooms that help with the water. Look how, this is awesome. The detail at the feet as it's walking. There's another one. The buckets have water in them. It's just great. And the reason I'm walking away out here, I want to show you one thing they added here. At the opening of each of these buildings, there's usually a very large character element that shield the kind of doors. And here, it's a sorcerer hat. I mean, come on. That's just awesome. And then if you come around this way, on this side, that is Fantasia 2000. And so you have the Jack in the Box, and then the ballerinas are here. We'll cut through. So he's kind of in front of that doorway that opens up. And there's your ballerina. And then as you come through. Now, Disney in all its infinite wisdom, and I mean that very seriously, if you notice this toy soldier right here, and this is something everybody misses. He's missing a leg. All the other toy soldiers have 2 legs. He has 1. That is part of the actual movie. If you watch it, there is a toy soldier that is injured like that and has 1 leg. It is very interesting that they add that as an element that is just subtly done and you just don't even realize it. Come back through here, I want to show you this, because this is Mickey. Spraying the water on the pool. And as we come, now last time we were here, and it wasn't that long ago, they're redoing this section here, and they still are. So originally this was the kiddie pool area. Yep, and they're still redoing all this. We're not sure exactly what they're doing, but we'll keep you guys abreast of it when it happens. And then as we come back up towards the lobby, we'll go into the lobby and I'll show you the arcade area. Now, this is just, you saw Fantasia. Like I said, to my right, or your right, is Toy Story. Behind Fantasia is a Herbie the Love Bug. And now straight ahead of us is 101 Dalmatians. These are value resorts. But really what you get here, with the theming and the access to the parks, it's really, really pretty impressive. Going back into the lobby area. And then the real fun arcade is their arcade. And it is a very good size arcade, really. I mean, it's a value resort, guys, and this is a very good arcade. I will tell you, this arcade rivals a lot of the deluxe resort arcades with what they offer. So, with that said, this is George, Florida Parks After Dark. Do me a favor, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. And we're up to our next event, so you guys take care. Have a good night. Hey guys, George, Florida Parks After Dark. Here we are here at All-Star Movies, and this is their store, the double feature. Donald's double feature. If you look at the side there, you have Huey, Dewey, or Louie hanging. I'm not sure who it is, but he's hanging up there by the rafter. But this is a value resort down here, one of 3. But the store itself is very impressive. You'll find out right here what they've done is they brought out the Disney Fab 5 kind of assortment. I gotta tell you, this mug right here is awesome. You have all the elements of all the parks on it. Mickey and Minnie. And the mug handle is Mickey's arm. Gotta love it. They have the hard plastic cup, and then they do have the metal water bottle with the stopper. Hold on, show you this. The stopper's Mickey ears. And so that is not cheap, but it is a nice mug. Down along the wall, they do continue to have the 2025 merchandise. We're expecting that to slowly phase itself out. We're halfway through the year already. We'll probably continue to see the Christmas merch, however, for it. Because we'll put that on our tree. It'll still be 2025 in December. And then so it goes through here. Now what we're really starting to see is a big push for 4th of July. 4th of July is coming. It's the next major holiday. So now we're starting to see a lot of those elements come in, which we like. And then this is new that we're seeing everywhere. It's the source for Mickey, and it's the most magical place on earth. Now they have this as a theme, and I think it's going to bring this out throughout the summer. It's going to be kind of an ongoing thing they're going to push out. It just seems we're seeing more and more of it. Great teas here, great stuff. And we're seeing stuff we don't see in other places. Like that's a great, just simple, soft, pastel-y thing. A shirt, kids' clothes on this side. And then really this purple kind of lavender loungefly, I haven't seen that color anywhere else. And what we really like is what Disney's doing is they're bringing elements in only certain stores. So it's special and it's new. Their ears, our selection is really outstanding. As is their loungeflies. As we come back through here, they have the pins and they have the towels and the shirts in the back, so they have all their snacks and lollipops that you have to have. Moana 2 stuff still is in this park pretty largely. So you have Maui there. You have the onesie. And you have the doll. But now we're going to turn a corner here. Because Elio is the new movie. And they're now bringing in him as a stuffy. So he's your main character. And then here's his sidekick, which is really probably going to be the star of the summer, in my opinion. Once Stitch gets out of the way. He is awesome. So, liking him a lot. So Elio started to take over. And then here's just some more Moana 2 merchandise. And then they do have here, they do have a lot of the toys and stuff in here. And as we come through, we are still seeing, and we really like it, Inside Out 2. Now they do have a great collection today. Now, it's a much obviously small amount, but you got joy, you got anxiety, envy and sadness, anger, disgust, and you have embarrassment. They can see with the Pride stuff through it, because it is Pride Month. And then, because it's All-Stars, what I really like is this. They brought out All-Star jerseys and All-Star Spirit jerseys and shirts and all that. It adds that sporty element, which is really pretty awesome. But guys, as stores go, this store is outstanding. It is a value resort that has a ton to offer as a store and as a resort. But guys, it's your Florida Parks After Dark. This is their store, and we are very impressed. With that being said, guys, you have a fantastic night. Like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys